We all have a shadow self, the parts of us we hide, suppress, or deny. These could be feelings of anger, jealousy, fear, or even hidden gifts we've been taught to push away. In this video, I'll guide you through how to embrace and integrate your shadow self so you can live in greater wholeness and freedom. What is the shadow self? The concept of the shadow comes from psychologist Carl Jung. It represents everything we reject or suppress in ourselves, traits, emotions, or desires that feel unacceptable. But the shadow isn't just negative emotions. Sometimes it holds our hidden strengths, creativity, power, or sensitivity that we were told not to show. To embrace your shadow means to recognize these hidden parts, accept them with compassion, and allow them to become part of your whole self. Why integration matters. When we reject our shadow, we project it onto others. That's why we may feel triggered, jealous, or angry without knowing why. But when we integrate it, we stop fighting ourselves. We reclaim lost energy, reduce inner conflict, and grow in self-acceptance. Integration brings balance. It makes us more authentic, grounded, and complete. Steps to embrace and integrate your shadow self. 1. Awareness through observation. 3 o'clock to 4:30. Begin by noticing your triggers. Ask yourself, what makes me react strongly? What do I criticize in others? Often, these are reflections of what we've denied in ourselves. Instead of judging, pause and say, this is my shadow. I see you. 2. Shadow dialogue. In meditation or journaling, imagine sitting across from your shadow. Ask, what are you trying to tell me? What do you need? Let the answers come without censorship. Often, your shadow just wants acceptance and a voice. 3. Inner child connection. Many parts of the shadow are rooted in childhood wounds. Place your hand on your heart and imagine speaking to your younger self. Say, I love you. You are safe. You are accepted exactly as you are. This brings healing and reassurance to the hidden parts of you. 4. Integration through compassion. After meeting your shadow, consciously bring it into your identity. For example, if your shadow holds anger instead of suppressing it, learn to channel it into assertiveness and boundary setting. If your shadow holds jealousy, let it guide you to discover your hidden desires. Every shadow has a gift when transformed with compassion. Your shadow is not your enemy, it is your hidden teacher. By embracing and integrating it, you step into greater authenticity, strength, and wholeness. True freedom comes when you stop rejecting yourself and start accepting every part of who you are. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone on their healing journey, and subscribe for more guidance on shadow work and self-discovery. And let me know in the comments, what part of your shadow are you ready to embrace today?